guys, welcome again. My name is Chef Broderick. Welcome to another happy cooking show. Today we'll be baking some oatmeal cookies. Sounds very good, especially during this festive season. For this you need 2 cups of brown sugar, you need one and a half cup of butter, which is 2 sticks of butter, which I have right here. You need 2 tablespoons of vanilla. Got our vanilla right here. You need 2 eggs. I have our eggs right here. We need some salt. I need a teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon baking soda. We're gonna measure these out in a little while. And 3 cups of old-fashioned oats, but I'm using quick minutes oats. If you have that, it's fine. All right, we have our oven being preheated at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And we got our baking tray set up right here with a wax paper, and we got our ice cream scoop right here just to drop our cookies. This is what I'm going to use to drop the cookies. Okay guys, creaming our sugar and our butter until nice and creamy and fluffy. Then we go add our eggs and our vanilla, which is already added. We got our oats sitting right there. We got our flour with our baking soda and our salt. Alright? Okay guys, we added our eggs already. Put our eggs inside. And our vanilla. And we're whipping this up to incorporate all the ingredients. Add our flour, our baking soda, and whip that up. We'll add our oats. Okay guys, this is what your consistency should look like. Nice and thick. Okay. This is what it looks like. We're gonna get our ice cream scoop right here. So we have all the cookies coming out the same size. We drop them just like that. What I like to do is give them a gentle press on the top, just like that. You can fold in any raisins. You have M&Ms, you have toasted coconut you want to put in there. Any other flavors you want to add, this is the time you add it. And then you put them on the baking sheet and you bake. Okay? So now we bake. We're going to bake for 15 minutes. Okay? These are like what you call gummy cookies like. But if you want them hard, if you're into really hard cookies, you could go for 15 to up to 17 minutes. But just watch your oven that it doesn't burn. But yeah, like I said, 15 minutes. Alright, that's it. There you have them. Very yummy, very oatmeal cookies. Thanks for watching. Happy cooking.